Kanshan Skeye Machinery Co., Ltd. Founded in 2011. Located in Kanshan, China. Focus on high-end CNC machine tool research and development. Production and sales of high-tech enterprises. Obtained a number of national patents. It has a constant temperature assembly workshop. 4 high-precision mold machines. High-quality production of graphite machines and 5-axis machining centers. 4 product development verification and application proofing of customized scenarios. Support customer operation and programming training. The company's products are mainly vertical machining centers, high-speed drilling center, gantry machining center, 5-axis machining center, etc. The equipment is used in mold, impeller blade, automobile, medical, aerospace and other fields. Company 5-axis division, focusing on powering aerospace vessels, rail transit car, production enterprises in mold and other industries, provide professional turnkey solutions. In recent years, we have cooperated with many well-known enterprises and obtained recognition. Company in Shanghai, Zhejiang, Shandong, Chongqing, Sichuan, Henan, Guangdong, Tianjin, Jilin, Fujian and other regions, all have branches in the headquarters and branch coverage area. Achieve door-to-door within 24 hours. Regular issues are resolved within 48 hours. In the future, 5-axis numerical control equipment will be used, and high-precision and high-speed graphite equipment as the core. Further expand market share, enhance brand value, grasp the new round of intelligent manufacturing development trends. Welcome every customer to discuss cooperation.